To say that STEM and computer science will play a major part in the future of our world is an understatement. The presence of technology is only ever increasing, as is the need for a well-trained, career-ready workforce. Moreover, research has consistently shown that the learning of computer science fosters learning in other subjects. In the same way that subjects like biology are viewed as an essential part of a well-rounded education, the teaching and learning of STEM and CS is foundational. VEX Robotics and the Southeast Asian Ministers of Education organization recognized this and together hosted a workshop in Bangkok, Thailand. The workshop invited education executives, department heads, curriculum designers, and educators to learn about the foundations of STEM with VEX Go and how it can be applied to the STEM learning experience. VEX Go is an affordable construction system that teaches the fundamentals of STEM through fun, hands-on activities. This encourages young learners to experience engineering and coding in a fun and positive way. The director of the Science Center for Education told workshop attendees that coding skills are incredibly important for students as they elicit logical, critical, and creative thinking processes. STEM is a way of organizing and delivering instruction. STEM provides learners opportunities to apply their knowledge and skills, collaborate with their peers, and to understand the relevance of what they are learning. STEM should never replace the teaching of core ideas, but rather give students the ability to know how they can apply their content to what they are learning. By utilizing VEX Go and the rest of the VEX Continuum, we strive to have a lasting impact on numerous career fields, including healthcare, information technology, smart agriculture, STEM teaching, and many more. Together, we can build a stronger foundation for the workforce of tomorrow.